Hola Mzansi, welcome to the Soccer YouTube channel. There we keep you updated about soccer news the way you want them to be. So bafethu, the Mamelodi Sundowns coach Miguel Cardoso has finally explained why he wasn't satisfied with the Masandawana performance against Amazulu FC this weekend. So bafethu, the Brazilians have been in impressive form since the Portuguese technician took over from Umanqoba Mngqithi. So bafethu, the Premier Soccer League defending champion secured all the 3 points despite playing most of the second half in one man down after Roman Williams got a red card. So the Mamelodi Sundowns continued their good form under their new manager Miguel Cardoso as they defeated Amazulu FC in the Betway Premiership at Moses Mabhida on Tuesday afternoon. Speaking after the game, Cardoso explained why he was unhappy despite his team victory over Usutu in Durban. The Sundowns manager also stated that his team needed to improve on, which led him to make 3 different changes in the second period of the match. He said, "It was a difficult game," the Portuguese manager admitted after the match. "I was not happy with our rhythm in the first half. Our ball circulation was too slow. We needed to improve our tempo, so we made 3 halftime substitutions to inject more energy into the game. We created several scoring chances throughout the game. I knew we had players competent to make an important impact." So bafethu, what's your thoughts? Please place your thoughts on the comment section. I will see you on the next video. Sale kahle.